Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Switch 1 controllers on the Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and use your Switch 1 controllers on it. How do you actually go ahead and connect them? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is that I'm going to grab my Switch 2 remote and then go to where it says controllers and click on controllers. Next, you're going to click on change grip/order. And so this is where you're going to start syncing your controllers. So the first set of controllers I'm going to sync up is our Switch 2 controllers. So we're going to click on SR. So click on these two right here. And you can see that it's synced up. And if you didn't know already, the green squares indicate what player you are. So because there's one green square, that indicates you're player 1. Now, the next controller that we're going to connect is the Switch 1 controller. So we're going to press and hold this black dot right over here until it lights up green. And so it's lighting up green. And now you can see it's been found. We're going to press the left and right buttons depending on the orientation in which you want to use this controller. Because I only have one controller, I'm going to press it horizontally like this, and there you have it. Now you've connected your Switch 1 controller. So go ahead and use that for any other controllers you want to go ahead and connect. And once you've connected all your controllers, just simply click on A when you're ready, and your Switch 1 controller has now been connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Switch 1 controllers on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.